everyone. My name is Sophie. Lovely to meet you. I am going to show you some tricks that will improve your English grammar and lightning speed. Just to mention that I will give you help to improve your English level to achieve INAT, the IELTS score you are aiming, but I don't answer any questions. When you want to improve English grammar, you need to know sentence structure first. So, what exactly is sentence structure? Well, it's all about how we organize words to create meaningful and correct sentences. I am going to break down the key elements for you to master. Have you played Lego? If not, I guess you know that castles, fire station, a Lego character, etc. are built on Lego bricks. The very foundation you need to win this Lego grammatical game is to learn S plus V plus O. What is S plus V plus O? Let me illustrate. S is subject, V is verb, and O is object. Imagine that you eat a bowl of udon. You eat udon. Udon cannot eat you, right? A basic pattern we need to form here. Sentence A, car subject, plus verb, plus object. Soon, we can add up other elements to make sentence A more interesting. Imagine that you are in a restaurant with charming setting. The staff plays beautiful music, and you sit in a comfortable sofa. A mouth-watering meal is sitting right in front of you. Let's say this dish. A sentence has spaghetti, subject, tomato sauce, verb, and olive oil, object. Spaghetti, tomato sauce, and olive oil are basic ingredients. The chef needed magic to make the taste bursts out. They are complement, modifier, conjunction, articles, determiners, and preposition. Then the chef needed to make the dish looks beautiful. The chef wants to make you smile, enjoy your wonderful food journey, and leaving you a long-lasting memory. To make the dish beautiful, the chef figured out different ways. Direct and indirect speech, sentence types, interjection, clause, and phrase. The technical terms sound not easy, right? They are the categories. They will become your tools to organize your grammar items. Imagine you are standing at the door of a supermarket. Inside it, we can see aisles. We select the aisles to find out the things we want. Alrighty, let's start our journey into the wonder of sentence structure. Once you solve the mysteries beyond, you can master English grammar. Breasts on. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and keep yourself updated.